guys?
What's up? We are going to be making a fidget spinner. We went outside, we kind of like smashed it, so it's only...
Yeah, I pretty much just threw it on the ground and we lost one of the pieces, and now we only have one.
Yeah, this...
And then we have two more.
Yeah,
and then
we have one more.
Today well, tomorrow. This is part one. Today, but tomorrow we're gonna get some hot glue. We don't have some hot glue, so we're gonna use these pieces, and we're gonna glue them onto this. And we're gonna make it into a fidget spinner because we have 3 of them. We have 1, 2.
Here's my cat.
And 3. And so far, yeah, we're just gonna glue these onto each other and see if it works. And
I was gonna show you my cat, but he ran away. So, oh, there he is. He's on play mode. See?
And the cat does not want to come, obviously, but okay. But so yeah, we're gonna make a fidget spinner, a DIY fidget spinner.
DIY fidget spinner. All you need is really just a necklace and
cut it up in half.
Right, cut the parts you want,
and also a true fact: don't only use hot glue. Do not use regular glue. It doesn't work.
Right, because I'm not trying to be rude or anything. Forgive Andrew for this. He dropped my fidget spinner on accident. My very first one. He accidentally dropped it and then it broke. So, we had to replace it. We got this one, but then after a while, it hardly stopped.
Oh, and another fact: do not go to Wegmans to get them. They're cheap. They're like $6, and you know why? Because they don't work.
But the first one I got was from Wegmans, and look, this was like it doesn't even spin. Hear it.
Yeah, they don't work, so don't get them from Wegmans. That's a true fact. And if you have any comments, comment down below. And I'm hoping...
don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope we get 1,000 likes, a golden 1,000 likes. If we don't get past 1,000 likes, then I may give out a free fidget spinner.
Yes, we're going to buy you guys a fidget spinner. We probably won't have enough because you know how other videos, I'm not trying to be rude. Don't dislike me or anything. When they say you get giveaways, when you really ask, they say 10, you never get it in like 5 months. And then they say you have it, but then once you get them in the mail, they have like 1 fidget spinner for you or 2.
Yeah, so... we may be giving away a free fidget spinner if we get 1,000 likes. We reach 1,000 likes and at least get 10 subscribes.
Right, at least 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 more subscribers. At least 4. We will be giving away 2 more. 2 more,
yeah.
2 more free fidget spinners. So yeah, just try to put this in. It won't spin. As soon as I do
it's cheap. Don't get them from Wegmans. They suck. No joke.
My first one was actually from Wegmans. It was pretty good, but that was because it was like a brand new one. It wasn't one that we had to replace it with.
Yeah. So please subscribe and let's get a golden like button. I hope we get that because we'll give away free fidget spinners. So please give a golden like. Oh, and by the way, just give a like.
Yeah.